Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving into something really fascinating, the intersection of artificial intelligence and gaming, specifically through an innovative project called the LLM Colosseum. Now this might sound a bit out there, but trust me, it's a game changer in how we evaluate AI systems. So picture this. Instead of the traditional benchmarks that we use to measure AI performance, like quizzes or puzzles, researchers are now throwing these large language models, or LLMs, into the virtual arena of Street Fighter 3. Yeah, you heard that right, fighting in a classic video game to test their capabilities. It's like putting on a tech twist to gladiatorial combat, and I find that pretty hilarious and genius at the same time. But you might be asking, why fight? Well, the creators of this project argue that gaming offers a dynamic and interactive way to evaluate AI performance under pressure. You don't just look at numbers, but how these systems react in real-time scenarios that require strategy, adaptability, and quick thinking. Kind of like how we respond to unexpected challenges in our everyday lives, don't you think? Also, research in AI is often about fine-tuning these models to respond better to human-like language. By introducing them to a game where they need to make split-second decisions, it adds layers of complexity that traditional tests just can't replicate. It's safe to say that if these models can handle a challenging fighter, then they might just be ready for real-world applications, like customer service or creative writing. Now let's pause for a moment. Doesn't that make you curious about how these AI models think while battling? How do you think an AI chooses its moves? Analyzing patterns? Perhaps predicting the opponent's next action? It's a great thought experiment. Plus, with the gamer's mindset influencing AI design, it brings an exciting crossover of cultures. Tech geeks and gaming communities joining forces to innovate. And here's something to ponder. Can we apply this gaming benchmark to other fields? Imagine a future where AI is evaluated not just through tests, but through immersive experiences that reflect our everyday complexities. What other scenarios can you think of that might push AI to its limits? As we wrap up, the LLM Colosseum isn't just about testing AI in a fun way. It's a fresh perspective on how we can gauge the intelligence of these models, preparing them for tasks that require not just logic, but also a touch of creativity and strategy. So next time you pick up a controller, remember that the game isn't just for fun. It might be shaping the future of technology. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep thinking critically about the future of AI and gaming, and who knows, you might just become part of this tech evolution. Catch you next time.